Well, we have our body done, the tab is sewn, and it's been slip stitched along the side. Now it's time to attach the slip stitched the tab to the body. So we're going to put our iPad in again, just so that way we know how far down we have to bring it, bring the tab. Flip it to the back side, and what you're going to do now is you're going to measure your case. And on my case right here, my width measures 9 inches. So what I'm going to do is take a marking pencil, which is meant for fabric, mark it at 4.5 inches. That's my center point. And I'm going to make sure it's all the way up so I can see it as I tack on the tab. Then I'm going to take my tab and measure the length of the tab. Tab is about 3 inches, so I'm going to mark it at 1.5 inches, so I know the center point. Then what I need to do is take my cover, take the back, match the 2 center points, and you could even put it on the outside so you could see the center point because it's just chalk and it'll wipe off. And then you're going to take a pin and you're going to secure it on. I'm going to take 2 and make sure it's on straight because I don't want it to slip while I'm sewing. And just to make sure I have it even, I'm going to measure my sides. And this side here is 1 inch. This side here is 1 inch also, so I have it lined up properly. Now go to the video with chain stitching in case you forgot how, and chain stitch across nice and tightly so that way this stays on securely.